You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 93, Managing Jira Notification Setting. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary ID. I'm logged in using my primary account. We'll click on top left corner, these 4 blocks, and we'll click on Jira Service Management. We'll click on top right corner and we'll go to Settings, and then we are going to click on, look for further, and we are going to click on, we'll look for General Settings. So under Personal Jira Setting, we are going to click on General Settings. On General page, in the left panel, under Notification Setting, we are going to click on Space and Work Item. On notification for space and work item, we'll click on Send Email for Work Item Activity. Send email for work item activity. Check on You may change to work item checkbox. So we are going to select You may change to work items. In the group notification, which is group notification email together, in every 3 minutes drop down, we are going to select every 10 minutes. Okay. On notification space, again we are moving ahead in notification space. Next to customization, let's move ahead. So let's move ahead. We'll look for the customization. For that, we'll scroll down and we have Customize Space Notification. We are going to click on Add Space Notification. On Add Custom Space Notification, in search box, we are going to type Team Managed Software, and then we'll select Team Managed Software and we'll click on Confirm. Let's move ahead. Now let's move ahead under Notification Settings. Now we are going to click on, we will click on Digest. On Digest Notification, click on Digest Notification. Let us proceed with further settings. Here, make sure that email and app is selected. Just review all the settings under Digest Notifications. Now then we are going to click on Alerts, which is again under Notification Setting. Click on Alerts. Let's move ahead. Now let's move ahead, and here I am going to add my phone number in SMS as well as in voice. And then I am going to click on Save. Let's move ahead. I will perform this step. I will pause the video and will perform this step. When you enter the number, make sure that you click on Use for Voice Call too. I have got this code. Once you enter the code, click on Verify. Once verification is done, review all the details that you have entered in notification. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.